Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and today I have an exciting look for you all. So if y'all want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching.
Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I want
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Get into this look, y'all. First thing first, brows will always be done, y'all. If y'all want an updated brow tutorial, please let me know in the comment section below, and I will definitely give it to you all. Y'all know I'm already going in with my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor number 2. I always use this base now because it's basically perfect for any eyeshadow look. Well, all of them are, but I just like using number 2. We're going to pat that base out with that Zoeva brush, y'all, that 142. Even though I'm showing my Luxe palette, I also went into my Juvia's Place palette times Vanessa, and I went into that brown. That brown is so pretty. It is super pretty. That's the first shade I went in with, and I started packing this color on the outer V of my lid. Okay, packing on the outer V of the lid. I'm like super obsessed with that brown. That brown is super pretty. After I went in with that brown from Juvia's Place, I went into the Luxe palette. This is a paper motion, but it's not a YouTube paper motion. It's a Instagram paper motion. And I went into that brown in that palette. Mind you, this Luxe palette, the shades are beautiful and pigmented. Watch when I apply these colors on my lid. I want to take that brown color with a fluffy brush and put it right on top of that first color that I laid down on the outer V. Now, always remember, you have to go back in to your colors to intensify the look. Now, you do not have to, but I will always prefer to go back into the colors just to make sure your blend is good, to make sure everything is really good before you apply that lid color. I simply call these beat no cut because there is no cut involved in this look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pack with no extra product on the lid. Whatever on that brush, I'm going to pack that lid out. No creases, no anything. And I'm also going to go back into the shadow to basically get this blend to get prepared for the lid shadow, if you get what I'm saying. Going back to that Luxe palette, I'm going to grab those two shades at the bottom, third row. It's a kind of champagne shade, and it's a penny shade, and I'm going to apply both of these on the lid, starting off with the champagne shade in the inner corner and then the penny shade on the lid area. I'm going to take that red shade. The red shade was phenomenal. Okay, look at that red shade. Look how pigmented that red shade was, y'all. Super pigmented, super pretty. I don't know what look I was going for. I was just really freestyling. It just comes to mind when I start doing looks. Now, y'all already know I have liners coming out, and I'm so excited, so thrilled to start my line, and it's taking forever, like literally. But I am coming out with liners, and these are called the AB Crystal liners. So I'm going to take the burgundy and the orange ones, and I'm going to create this like abstract liner look. Honestly, the abstract liner look came out super bomb. I like it, but I kind of messed up, y'all, on the left eye. I don't know, something about me doing my left eye is kind of challenging. I don't know, but I tried my best and I did it. One eye is always going up and one eye is always going down. I applied my lashes and I'm ready to move on to the face. So I went ahead and I took some moisturizer. I like to moisturize my face now. I don't like my face to be dry, and I'm getting into these dewy foundations. I am going to take my Milk Hydro what is this, hydrating primer, and I am also going to go into my poreless primer from Benefit and put some on my cheeks. Y'all already know how to do this because my pores are large. So I'm also going to go into the Dior Backstage Body and Face Foundation in the shade 5N, and we're going to make this face look flawless. My face, I don't know how I liked it. It didn't really turn out how I liked. I tried this new Huda Beauty contour stick, and I was just not. I needed a lighter shade because that shade was too dark. It made my cheeks look, I don't know, but you will see. Okay, so we're going to concealer, and I tried these new concealers. Kiki Adam recommended these, y'all, on her Instagram story, and she wanted to try them. I don't think she gave a review, I don't know, but I went and picked them up, and I love these concealers. The only thing is you have to apply these and then wait just a little bit. Don't even wait that long like you would like a Tarte concealer or something like that, because these they will dry up on you, y'all. Okay, so wait just like maybe a second and then start blending out. But they do not crease. The name is definitely there, okay, because these do not crease. Like, y'all, I've really came a long way, and I am so proud of myself. I'm so happy. And yeah, y'all, I will no longer be taking clients because I really want to, like I said, focus on myself. I really haven't been doing much. I have been busy doing clients, and I really missed y'all, but I have to get back to doing my influencer work. Like, I love doing YouTube videos. I just have to get back to it. If y'all were wondering if my lips was something wrong with my lips, they did get bigger because I got lip injections, y'all. So they were kind of swole, but now, like right now, as I'm looking at myself, they went down. Not on the tutorial, but like in person as I'm talking. So I went in with my KKW Beauty lip liner in the shade number 3, nude 3, and then I also went into Anastasia Beverly Hills Hollywood liquid lipstick, and yeah, and also I took Fenty Beauty's Diamond Gloss and glass slipper. Yeah, now going with my Juvia's Place blush. I went in with that blush, and I also went ahead and took some highlight, and that was it, y'all. I hope that y'all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to come and subscribe and watch me pose, girl. See y'all in the next one.